In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot in Microsoft Teams on both PC and mobile, guiding you through a few simple methods to capture what you need efficiently. We'll start off with the process on a Windows PC. First things first, open up Microsoft Teams and navigate to the chat, call, or meeting you want to capture. Now that you have your screen ready, let's talk about some quick methods to take screenshots. The first method is using the print screen button, usually abbreviated as Partícione on your keyboard. By pressing this button, you'll capture your entire screen. It's important to note that this method grabs everything visible on your monitor, which can be useful if you're looking to capture more than just Teams. After capturing, open an application like Paint or Word or directly into chat and paste it using the Ctrl+V command. If you're keen on capturing only the active Teams window, you can use Alt plus Partícione. This is a more focused approach compared to the full screen capture. It allows you to grab just the Teams window, making it easy if you want to avoid any distractions from other applications that might be open. You'll paste this image in your desired application, just like before. For more versatility, consider using Windows plus Shift plus S to activate the snipping tool. This tool lets you select a custom area on your screen. Once you highlight the desired section, the image is copied directly to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into any app that supports image pasting, providing a seamless experience without needing an additional program to hold the image temporarily. Lastly, where you need more control and perhaps search for functions like annotating or directly saving an image file, explore using the snipping tool or Snip and Sketch app. These tools provide more options for editing and organizing your screenshots, which can be helpful if you're preparing them for presentations or documentation. Exploring these methods offers versatility, whether you're documenting a meeting's chat window or sharing an error message with a coworker. Each option allows you to decide based on the intricacy of the task at hand and your personal preference in handling screenshots. Just remember, once you have your screenshot, think about where it needs to go. Sometimes pasting it in a chat or document quickly is the goal, while other times, saving it as a file for later use might be more fitting. With these straightforward techniques, capturing exactly what you need from Microsoft Teams becomes a hassle-free task. I hope these tips will enhance your experience as you work more efficiently while in Teams. Remember, practice makes perfect, so give each method a try to find which suits your workflow the best.